Hi, I'm Sally from Sew with Sally, and this is the Fashion Anatomy series, where we investigate and analyze beautiful garments from days gone by. In the fall of 1945, a lovely Philadelphia woman named Geneva married her sweetheart Michael. She had waited for him to come back from the South Pacific serving his country. She waited 3.5 years. In this video, we will examine this beautiful dress that she bought on her honeymoon in New York City. First, we will take a look at the silhouette, and then we will dive deep into the dress to see how it was made and what secrets it may hold. This is a classic 1940s party dress with a fitted bodice, low neckline, and a very full gathered circle skirt made of several layers of fabric, falling a few inches below the knees. The upper layer is black, and the underlayer is nude, making it shimmer when she moves. Let's take a closer look. The first thing we notice is this wide, deep neckline that is trimmed with beautiful beading. We have small little crystals, lots and lots of sequins and pearls, and they're in kind of a beige color and white. The dress is 2 layers of fabric. It's black tulle with a nude color underneath. The extended shoulder line would cover the shoulders about 2 inches, and the armhole is bound with the black tulle in a very, very tight rolled hem. The beading is masterful. You can see the understitching is just as beautiful as the beading. And this little piece of fabric is actually sewn on kind of like a t-shirt. It's actually sewn right sides together and just flipped up, and then the beading is what holds it down and keeps it together. The front has 2 darts, and it has a side zipper that is the color of the underneath tulle. It also has belt loops. This tells me that, of course, there was a belt with it, and chances are it was beaded. It's very, very tightly gathered. The back also has the deep V-neck and lots of beading around the neck, but not in the body. And 2 waist darts. The skirt is the 2 layers of tulle, black and nude, but they're very, very wide at the bottom. There are 4 panels, and at the hemline, each panel measures 108 inches. And let's take a look at the underdress. As we can see, this has a beautiful shaped sweetheart neckline, princess lines, and a dart between the breasts at the apex line. It would pull the fabric in, accentuating the bust line. The waistline of the skirt is totally flat, and it's cut on the bias. And the underskirt is 1 panel in the front and 1 panel in the back. At the hemline is about 45 inches. So the underskirt is much narrower than the outer dress. The hem is a double turn and stitched, and let's look on the inside. There are 2 layers of lining. The first layer is actually sewn with the tulle, and the underneath layer is separate, and it is where the bones are sewn. The bones are actually sewn into the seam allowances. The bones go from the top to almost the waistline. They're about 3/8 of an inch above the waistline so that they don't dig into the waist. They're down the princess lines in the front and one side of the body, but not on the zipper side. And we have them down the back as well. And these straps are made from hem tape, and they're for hanging the dress. You take the back ones and the front ones and hang the dress this way. The waist seam is covered with hem tape as well, and the side seam is pinked. And there is a label. The label, Benham Original, New York. I looked up Benham, and the only Benham I found was an actor turned tailor. So I'm not sure if it's the same person or not. I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Fashion Anatomy. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time.